to my channel. My name is Iga and today we have monthly favorites. So I did two versions of this monthly favorite. One is a tutorial style monthly favorite where I use all of the products and show you how they work, why I like them. And the other version is just me showing you the product, telling you a little bit about it, how long I've been using it, and the price point. I filmed this video once before, but I realized that I sweat off my foundation here. I was sweating the entire time because I just straightened my hair and it was just really rough, which if you want to see how I straightened my hair, you can go watch the video. I'll put the little card up here. At the end, I kind of add some balm to it or like a curling gel just to give it like a wavy texture if I want it to stay straight. I just don't put anything at all in it after I finish straightening it. It also waves over here just because I put it behind my ear. So that's just how my natural hair works and I have learned to accept it. I just wanted to straighten it for the hell of it, just some, cool fun. So jumping right into it, I have the Lazy Day moisturizing pads and I really like these. These are like great if you can't wash your face for whatever reason or you're actually lazy to wash your face for whatever reason. These will come in handy. And not only do they like clean your face, they tone it. It's like an essence and a moisturizer all in one. So this is something to carry in your gym bag, which I wish they had like a travel size, just so that I could take it to the gym and then buy the full size and refill it. I mean, that would be probably the most beneficial option. So I really like these. It smells super good. It has pomegranate and super greens. I did a whole review and first impressions on 3 products from Peach and Lily. This was one of them. The next item is from Murad. I think that's how you pronounce it. I am not too sure. This is a clear acne spot treatment. I am all for the Mario Badescu, but this is clear and sometimes that's what you need because you can't always just put on a pink dot on your face. And if you get a pimple midday, you wouldn't want to wait all the way till the end when you get home. You want to put it on right away to catch it bright and early. And this will help reduce the size and redness within 4 hours. You just apply a thin layer 1 to 3 times a day. And this is very light. This is totally acceptable to carry. There's no problem in that. The next item I have for you is the Dermablend primer. And I literally have used this in every single video since I got it. It is remarkable. I am so pleased with this item. It is literally the best. And I'm just grabbing my foundation here. And I think this is the best duo that you can ever have. And the foundation is not a part of my video. It's not a part of my favorites yet. But this really gets that foundation going. I will say that it did not withstand my hair sweat. I was literally drenched, so I'm not really mad. And I also brushed on it, so I'm not mad. I mean, but this primer makes me look baby smooth. And if I set it with a good amount of setting spray and I put a good amount of powder, literally my makeup can last forever. When I do videos, I don't really use a bunch of setting spray because it just, I don't want to waste it if I'm going to take off the makeup right after. But legit. Next, I have the Beauty Blender Defender. So this is going to be your beauty blender's best friend. It protects it, it helps drain the water with the holes. It is just literally the best. If I drop it on the floor right now, it's not going to get dirty. If I put it down on my table, it won't get my table dirty. I feel like it just keeps it more bacteria free and it's just legit. And one of the items that isn't my monthly favorite, but I forgot to incorporate, is the gel liner from ColourPop. This is a miracle color. Not this, but they make remarkable colors. So these colors are literally every single one that you could ever dream of. They got it, and they go on really smoothly. I did like a drip makeup look with a rainbow eyebrow. You can't layer it on, you gotta be light with it or else it will chunk up. But I was really surprised, and it's a really good price. So the ColourPop is $6.50. The Beauty Blender is $12. The Derma Blend is $33. The Murad is $22. And our next item is the Kylie One Wish matte lipstick that retails for $17. It is my favorite because this color is my perfect nude. It just looks very nice. Next I have the brow definer, which I think is a lifesaver. It is so much faster than the brow pencil. You just put a line, fill in the end, and you're good to go. It comes with a spoolie, and on the other side there is a thicker edge. It has changed my whole view on eyebrows. It has made it easier to get that Instagram brow. I don't really go for those because I like natural brows, but I feel like this would be the one to do that with. Next I have this, which is the Game of Thrones eyeliner, and this is just such a subtle gold. You can use it for so many things. You can use it under your brow, in your tear duct. You could use it as highlight wherever you want. You could smudge it out on your eyelid. You could do a cut crease with it. It's just so pigmented. Such a pretty gold. It's everything you need in a gold eyeliner. And I think that this shade would suit so many skin tones because you can make it really bold or really subtle, or I just think they don't even know how good of an eyeliner this is. I have my Morphe setting spray, and I try not to breathe in when I do it, but sometimes I just gotta. It smells so good. What I really like is the fact that it's continuous mist. I don't know if there's another setting spray that's a continuous mist, but the Urban Decay setting spray does indeed leave you spots on your foundation because some just come out too big, and sometimes even if you blend them out, they're just still there, especially in the highlight zone. If you get a dot, you try to blend it out and then you put highlighter over it, the dot is gonna reappear. So I just don't recommend those sprays. Plus, if you're gonna use a spray like that, you could just make it by yourself, put healthy ingredients in it. Just do something really natural and then buy a fine mist setting, like a spray bottle. And this retails for $16. Moving on, the Game of Thrones palette became such a favorite for me. At first I wasn't sure. I was like, I could return it, but it became like number one. I love all the colors in it. It is really awesome. I'm gonna leave a link down below to all the videos that I used these products in, including this one. It retails for $65, which is a little, pricey, but for the quality of the eyeshadow and the amount, I think it is great. I think maybe they should have just did the palette without all this fancy packaging, like alternative to this one where there's two, so you could save a little bit of money. But I have grown to love this thing so much more than I ever could have thought. And that concludes my 10 products of the month. I think that this is number one and this is number two. If you have to get anything, I would get these two items because this is necessity, straight up. That's all I have to say today. Thank you for watching. Hope I see you next time, and check out all the other links below if you're interested, and check out the tutorial. It'll be down below, first link, on how I did this look with the products I just mentioned. Bye guys.